How's it going today, guys? Trucks and Water here. And today we are heading over to Smoking at the Valley, which is in Sweetwater, Tennessee. I got my buddy in his 2nd gen Cummins back there with my other buddy in his 4th gen Cummins with American Forces on it. We are meeting. There's a GT Camaro or Porsche something. I forgot. I don't know the name of the Porsches. Anyways, we're rolling deep, heading down there. Maybe get some rollers on the interstate and have some fun on the interstate, but it's gonna be a good time. Cannot wait to get there. It's my first time going to this event. I didn't get to go last year because I had to work, unfortunately, but it's gonna be a good time going to this event, so see how it goes. So, update on the Convoy right now. We're stuck in West Knox traffic because no one in their freaking right mind knows the right lane is to actually go fast and not do like maybe 70 miles an hour at best. This is bull crap. People need to learn how to freaking drive. God bless. Show you all how you're supposed to drive on the damn interstate. Look, nice and clear. I'm doing well above 80, or sorry, 70. So, I'm in the left-hand lane, doing the speed I want, where I can pass, not conjugate in this lane, only doing 70. And guess what? It was a Ford person. Not saying all Ford owners do that, because not all of them do. And I have some buddies that drive some Fords that drive pretty quick. But God bless. How to assert dominance on the highway, you run 2 trucks staggered side by side. That will assert dominance over all the other cars on the interstate. Truck tip with Trucks and Water. Literally, my GPS just took me on this back way to the racetrack. That it was technically a 2-lane road, but I could not fit my truck on it. I mean, I'm not saying my 20 by 12s are wide or anything. They're standard now for wide tires, but I could not fit my truck on it. I mean, holy crap, that was like sketchy as crap. I mean, if you meet someone, you gotta pull over. Thanks, Google Maps, for taking the quote-unquote shortest route to our destination. Guys, guess what I'm back on? Gravel, yay, and I just got my truck clean. Okay guys, it's Sunday. I just am doing some errands this morning, getting some stuff done, but right now I'm gonna head over to spray out the truck real quick from last night, because when we were at the Smoking at the Valley, all the roads in that area were either dirt or gravel. So I'm gonna go spray out the truck and make sure it looks good. But anyways, right now we're gonna do a meeting up with a bunch of people in Halls to do a convoy over to Norris Dam for a kid. I don't remember his name, unfortunately. I don't know him, but it's a memorial ride for a kid that passed away, I think, a week or 2 ago. Thoughts and prayers, of course, to him and his family and everyone, his friends and everyone that was affected by it. It's not easy to go through something like that, especially when it's a young kid that had a lot going for him and a really good future ahead of him. So that's what we're doing right now, so here we go. Well, I got the truck washed up. That's why I preach waxing your truck and washing and waxing it constantly, because then you can just, like, if you have to do a quick spray off, all the crap that gets thrown up on the road, or if you have to go in the dirt or whatever, it literally falls off or just beads off and washes off so much easier. It just makes everything easier. So if you take the time to do even a spray synthetic wax, like I do mostly, because I don't have time to do like a wax, if you get what I mean. It just makes everything so much daggum easier. So that's what I recommend. So right now we're heading out to the Roll King in Halls. Gonna meet up with a bunch of my buddies and stuff, and then we'll go from there. All right, guys, we are rolling out right now. I'm leaving about 5 minutes early from when everyone else is rolling out, and do the time to get everyone rolling into Norris Dam when we get up there. So we're rolling out right now, and it's gonna be a good time. I got an OBS Chevy behind me. I think I got another, maybe, no, I don't. And a 6.4 Powerstroke, so it's gonna be a good time. I cannot wait to make it. So now, if everyone would freaking drive. God blessing us, so. So right now we're walking back to the truck meet. We got it. I mean, it is packed here. I mean, absolutely packed. So we're gonna walk around, talk to some people, show some trucks off and whatnot like that. So it's gonna be a good Sunday afternoon. So Cole, what's going on right now?
We're gonna use that truck to push that truck. That truck's going backwards to push that truck forward.
So what's the issue right here?
It's a Ford. If it was a Chevrolet, they wouldn't have that problem.
We wouldn't know anything about that, would we? Hell yeah, bouncing off the rev limiter. Built Ford tough, baby. Alright guys, it is currently Thursday. As this video is getting posted, I am either in or traveling to traveling to Greensboro, North Carolina for the Rudy's fall truck jam. Rudy's, like I said before in some previous videos, Rudy has a very special place in my heart because of the fact that it was my first travel meet I ever been to, my first travel truck meet with like big names like American Force and all that stuff. So it has a very special place in my heart, and I can't wait to go back, going with some awesome friends. It's gonna be a great time. Like, just keep popping off. Anyways, but what I want to end this vlog on is I want to talk to you all about a couple things this past weekend that's happened. I was part of 2 truck meets this past weekend. One was Saturday at the Smoking Up the Valley event, and I didn't get to go to that till way later in the day due to work, and I had to work and overtime and all that stuff, which I don't mind doing. Like, I love working overtime, making that extra money, of course, for my K1500 build and my future build with the diesel and whatnot. But it's not the event's fault. Let me make this statement clear right off the bat. It is not the event's fault. It's unfortunate, but it's not the event's fault. Smoking Up the Valley was not... I can adjust you all again. There we go. Smoking Up the Valley was not my favorite event ever. I won't lie to you guys. There's a lot of fights, a lot of drama, a lot of bullcrap. And that's not what a meet's supposed to be about. In my head, if I made the perfect truck meet in my head, it would be about we all have a good time. There's a dyno, there's, you know, maybe dirt drags or drag racing, show and shine, and we all talk about trucks and with vendors and help each other out with problems we have over trucks and whatnot like that. Not he said, she said, you know, all this other BS, trying to, you know, it was kind of bullcrap, honestly. I won't lie to you guys, it was. Again, not the event's fault, just what I've noticed at the event. Okay, so I was part of a memorial ride for this kid named Cody Wilkerson that you saw in the previous clips before about the whole convoy and all that. I didn't know this kid personally. I don't think I ever met the kid. Maybe once at a truck event because his truck looked familiar and he looked familiar. He unfortunately passed away. I don't know under what circumstances. A lot of hazy things I've been told, so I'm not going to say yes or no on how he passed away. But unfortunately, at 16 years old, his life was taken from this earth and was passed away. Whether you're religious or not, you know, it's just a tragic event whatsoever. But it was what really struck me coming from Saturday to Sunday. So Saturday has like all the BS, the drama, you know, people just can't be just normal people, I guess I can say, maybe. I don't know how to express it. To this event where everyone came together for a 2-hour glimpse of time. No one was arguing. No one was bickering. No one was trying to fight each other. No one was doing anything. They're all there to support his family, raise money for the funeral, and show off our trucks. Because he was in the truck community. And even though I didn't know the kid, once you're in the truck community, you're part of the brotherhood. No matter if you drive a Ford, Chevy, Dodge, Toyota, or Nissan, or whatever, lifted, lowered, leveled, mud tires, Nitto 420s, whatever the case may be, you're part of the brotherhood. And to see that happen with this kid and the whole community come together to help this family out was awe-inspiring. I'm glad, I kind of reflected on it this past week too. I'm kind of glad over the year and 10 months I've done YouTube, from nothing to 4,000 plus subscribers. And I'm not saying I'm big by any stretch of the imagination, but from nothing to 4,000 plus subscribers, meeting all these kinds of people. I have 2 sponsorships now for the truck and all this other awesome stuff. I'm glad I didn't change who I am at the core. I'm still Josh, you know. Yeah, Trucks and Water is now kind of my identity and everyone knows me because of Trucks and Water, but I'm not changed, if that makes sense. I'm still me. And, you know, like, I might not deal with a lot of bullcrap like I used to. I don't care what people say about me or the truck. I understand I'm on the internet. I put myself out there, I'm going to get made fun of. That's what it is. But I'm glad I'm stayed who I am. And that's the thing, guys, and I'll preach it once more again. Fake hate and disrespect gets you fake fame and fake friends. You think they're your friends? You think they'll be there for you. The moment, no, I'll say it straight up, the moment that shit hits the fan, they'll leave you. I have a lot of acquaintances. I know a lot of people. My friend group is very small. You can ask any of my OG friends, anybody. I keep my friend circle very small for that reason. Not a lot of people infiltrate it, and if someone traders that person, they're gone. I delete them from my life. I don't deal with disrespect. I don't deal with anything like that, especially when it comes to people that put on the channel, especially females and all that stuff. I don't tolerate it. I'll straight up just block you. I don't care. But that's what I'm trying to get at, guys, is, you know, I went from one extreme to the other, and it was awe-inspiring to see that come together. So I want to thank each and every single one of you that came out to the convoy to support his family. It was awesome, guys. You all did a fantastic job, kept your cool, you know, didn't do anything stupid, didn't get us kicked out. You know, the Norris cops showed up, but he just drove around and left. Like, he knew what it was for and whatnot, and it was awesome. So I want to thank you. I know Cranford said thank you, but I also want to thank you for a filming perspective and stuff. Thank you for your behavior, and thank you for supporting this family and kid. Like I said, guys, I don't know the kid personally, but his life was taken way too out of a young of age. And even if you're not religious or not, guys, I'm not saying one way is better than the other. It's on your personal preference. We don't know when our time's up. We don't. And it's kind of a scary thing to think about, but at the same time, you know, we don't. So we have to live each day to the best of our abilities. And yeah, we sometimes get frustrated and sometimes get mad. But at the end of the day, live your life to the best of your ability. Live so you can make that dream happen, like I say at the end of every video. So thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. If you like the video, leave a like. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Join the Trucks and Water community. We're constantly growing and changing and doing new and better things. All of you have a great day, and remember, never give up on your dreams.